Hello and welcome to today's video. How to take or use CBD oil. When it comes to taking CBD oil, there are four main methods. Inhaling it by smoking, applying it to your skin topically, taking it under the tongue, and ingesting it using edibles. We'll now go through each method and break it down for you. Number 1. Inhaling CBD oil is one of the fastest ways to feel its effects, since it goes straight into your lungs and bloodstream. You can smoke CBD oil concentrate using what's called an oil rig, which is similar to a water pipe. It works by heating the CBD oil concentrate, then putting the oil into the nail with a dabber, which is a small metal tool used to transfer the oil concentrate from its container to the oil rig. This in turn produces smoke, which you inhale. Alternatively, you can vape CBD oil with a vaporizer pen. If you're new to vaping, a vape starter kit can be a great way to start out. Vaping is a great alternative to smoking if you still want the maximum possible effect, but without the harsh feel of smoke in your throat and lungs. Number 2. The next way to use CBD oil is through topical application, meaning you place it on your skin in the form of a balm or ointment. This method is probably the easiest, as it doesn't require any special tools or knowledge to use. Simply figure out the dosage you need, then apply that amount of balm to your skin. Number 3. Next is tinctures. Tinctures are little bottles that contain CBD oil. These are ideal to take your CBD oil sublingually, in other words, under your tongue. Simply apply a few drops under your tongue, hold it in your mouth for 30 seconds, then swallow. This method is discreet, effective, and gives you feelings of calm and well-being. Number 4. Last but not least, we have edibles. Adding CBD oil to your food is a fun and easy way to take your CBD. Unlike THC edibles, which are psychoactive and are too potent for some, CBD edibles such as CBD gummy bears or lollipops won't cause any kind of psychoactive effects. Aside from purchasing pre-made CBD infused foods, you can also make your own CBD edibles, such as CBD infused butter or pasta. And just be aware of how much oil you put in your food. And be careful about how much you eat though, because effects from edibles can take 2 to 4 hours to kick in, so people can often eat too much. It's always better to wait a few hours and see how you feel before eating any more. CBD oil dosages are hard to calculate, especially when it's your first time. There is no recommended daily intake for CBD oil. While many companies have serving suggestions on their products, these were created by the company, not by official research or standard guidelines. The answer depends on why you're taking it, your weight, and the strength of your CBD oil. Depending on if you're taking CBD oil for pain, anxiety, seizures, cancer, or another reason, you'll want more or less CBD.